Okay, hi, this is George again at Thames Boilers, and today I wanted to talk to you about a glowworm boiler. It's called a glowworm CI, but the problem it's got is common to most modern boilers. And the problem this customer had was that there's a kind of copper overflow pipe that goes through the wall to the outside wall where the boiler is, and it's kind of like an overflow pipe. You probably wouldn't ever notice it unless it was dripping, like this lady's one was dripping. The reason why this thing was overflowing was because there's a fitting on the boiler. There's a part on it called a pressure relief valve. Can you see that? That is called a pressure relief valve. And what this does is it sits in the boiler and it doesn't do anything most of the time throughout the boiler's life. It doesn't do a great deal. But what happens is that if the pressure in the boiler ever gets too high, gets around the sort of 3 bar mark, is that this valve will lift up, and what will happen is the water from the boiler will pass through here. As it opens, it's a bit like a tap, it'll open and it will come out of the overflow pipe. So that's the boiler side and that's the overflow pipe side. And it's fitted as a safety device, so it stops pressure building up inside your boiler and your heating system, which could be dangerous. It could make pipes burst, it could, cause all sorts of damage. So it's a really handy safety device. All boilers on sealed systems need them, but sometimes they fail. In this case, it looks like, to me, I don't know if you can see, but that's pretty sludgy in there. And it's just probably like sludge and debris that's built up over the years. This boiler was about, it's got to be well over 10 years old, so it's pre-condensing. So it's got to be 12, 13 years old. Anyway, so I just changed this part over. I think it was about 20 quid. It took under an hour and the customer's up and running again. Happy days. So that was a glowworm, but these are on pretty much every combi, well, on every combi boiler. They're on system boilers, all kinds of things. Very common fault, very easy to put right. So if your copper overflow pipe outside is dripping, or if it's hammering out, either way, it's probably this part here, which is a pressure relief valve. If you need me, my website is in the description of this video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.